Hello traders, welcome to my channel Freedom with Forex. My name is Al and this is my son Aiden. He is busy to open the door. He's really trying to open the door. So we are waiting in my car and Mama went to get some Lebanese pizza. I just wanted to show you quickly what is the update on my Forex account. Let's have a look. So as you can see, $672 in profit, balance 15,495. Euro USD looking pretty good, $38. But the trade I want to show you is this one, pound franc, $504 in profit. I'm really hoping pound franc and pound cat to go all the way so that I can recover my losses from last week. USD franc turning out to be good as well. I do have a 2 trade open. And Australian dollar news just came out about an hour ago or so. The GDP -7%, which is the lowest in last 28 years. So we are officially in recessions. Let's have a look at the dollar situation right now. What is the, as you can see, last 1 hour or 2 hours market is going down, but it's not a huge movement as one expected. It all depends how the market actually closes tomorrow. This is the daily chart, as you can see. So that's just a quick update on my account. If you got any questions, comments, any suggestions, please leave them below, and I will catch you on Saturday.